our new customers get to come in and sit with a genius and a technician and find out how their car works. Technology is a scary thing, so it helps to be able to sit one-on-one and ask questions and find out how everything works.
They have a lot of fun interacting and learning from each other to try to figure out what's different about their car and how does it work and what did you learn about yours, and we always have a lot of fun with that. It's one of the best parts.
Favorite part about a new owner night is when someone actually gets to enjoy their car the way it's supposed to be and they thank you on the way out, and that was real helpful.
Most of them have never been in a BMW shop before. They see the floor, they see how clean it is, they see that it's air conditioned, they see all the neat things. They're overwhelmed by it, and they're happy to see where their car is being worked on. And we're very proud of it, and we're very proud to share it with them.
We have the greatest crew, hands down, of any BMW dealership there is. We've got people who've been here over 30 years. That means something.